Preschool. It's where young children first learn how to socialize in a classroom setting, but it's more than just coloring and Play-Doh to others.
The time of a child's life that we can make the biggest impact, the most difference, are those early childhood years.
Earlier this summer, school administrators like Nancy Murphy were worried that their preschool program would no longer be free.
For some families, even $20 a month, $30 a month is too much because that's a couple of meals for that family.
Fortunately, the legislation to keep free preschool program for 4-year-olds was passed in July. However, there are still over 150 spots open, where last year every spot was filled. With administrators like Nancy worried about how many kids are enrolled in the program, it's teachers like Rosie here at Lincoln Elementary School who are worried about the immediate effects.
We needed our community kids here. They are good role models too for our other kids that need the social skills.
If numbers are not met by October 1st, it could affect future funding for the program in Dubuque. In Dubuque, Sam Lozada, LCTV News.